Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another kind of video in really beautiful designs about the very pretty different length of heels and really different designs, very beautiful color combinations, and very diverse kind of material used in the different heels. And as you see on the screen, there are very beautiful heels in a black color and the shiny material. And this one is also a very pretty heel. These are high heels. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the many diverse kind of heels that can help you and that can give you the more ideas about the different kind of heels. And as you see, this looks very pretty with your eastern or western both kind of dresses, and it makes your heel dress more pretty and beautiful. And as you see, this heel looks really nice, a very pretty diverse kind of colors and really shiny material and a silver shine on the top of the heel that looks really pretty, and this white color heel looks really nice, and this heel also very nice and really comfortable. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video. So today's video is gonna to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.